Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a new Alexa device using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now plug in your new Alexa device. Wait for the lights to turn orange. If you don't see an orange light, press and hold the action button until it appears in the Alexa app. Tap on plus icon at the top, then tap on device. Now choose Amazon Echo, then select your Echo model. Now choose your home Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password and tap connect. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Wait a few seconds until you see setup complete. Try saying Alexa, and that's it. You have successfully set your new Alexa device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.